Good morning, students. Bharat Group of Schools and Colleges, Standard 6th, Subject Geography. Lesson Energy Resources, Part 1, from page number 51 to page number 54. Let's study energy resource. Here in the picture, a girl is studying with the help of a light of a lantern. The light is an energy, and the energy of this light we get it from the lantern, and the lantern contains fuel in it through which the light is lit. So here is the use of the energy with the help of the resource fuel in the lantern. In the second picture, we can see a petrol being filled in a car. The car moves with the help of the mineral oil, that is a resource of energy for the car to move. In another picture, we can see a girl using a pinwheel and the father winnowing grains on the field. Both the things are working with the help of the wind energy. Here in the picture is a solar energy panel where the sunlight is used to convert it into electricity. This is a very costly project, but the resource which is used for this purpose is sun. Here in this picture, you will see a rickshaw, a cylinder and a lantern. All the three works on with the resource CNG. We engage in various activities to fulfill our needs, for which we need energy. In the past, human labor and animals were used for many tasks. Man's need increased, and with it several changes took place in the use of energy resource and devices. Still, man mainly obtained this energy from nature. You must have realized this while answering the above questions. We use petrol, wind, natural gas, sunlight, etc. beside other resources. Energy resources can be classified in many ways, such as conventional, non-conventional, biotic, abiotic, renewable, non-renewable, substance-based, process-based, etc. Here is the table of substance-based energy resource and process-based energy resource. In the substance-based energy resource, wood, coal, mineral oil, natural gas, waste matter, atoms are included. Substance-based do not last perpetually. Substance-based get used up. Reuse is not possible. Availability is limited. Takes thousands of years to replenish. Except for atomic energy, all other resources are biotic. In the process-based energy resource, the sun, wind, water, tides and heat from the earth's interior are the examples. Natural processes are perpetual. Processes are always available. Reuse is possible. Availability is unlimited. These are easily available in nature. All processes are natural. In the next chart, same. Generation of energy leads to pollution. Except for atomic energy, all other resources are conventional. Generation of energy is relatively cheap. Being inflammable, these resources cause damage to the environment. Type of power generation is thermal and atomic. In the next one, you have generation of energy is pollution free. All these resources are non-conventional. Developing the technology for the use of these resources is expensive. In the long run, these energy resources are environment friendly. They don't harm the nature. Type of power generation are thermal and kinetic. Using these energy resources, we can undertake following kinds of power generation: hydel power, thermal power, atomic power, geothermal power, etc. In thermal power stations, it is necessary to burn the energy resources directly to generate electricity. Kinetic energy can also be used to generate power or electricity. Do you know the demand for energy is constantly on the rise due to the growing needs of human beings? Solar energy and wind energy are easily available to us, but the power generated using these resources has to be stored in sufficient quantities to ensure continuous power supply. At present, it is very expensive to store this energy. Effects are on the make these resources affordable through research. Substance-based energy resource wood. In villages, wood is used on a large scale for cooking on earthen stoves. Coal. Long ago, plant and animals remains got buried due to earth movements. They were then decomposed to pressure and heat, leaving behind the element carbon. That is how coal was formed. Coal is used for different purposes. According to its quality, low quality coal is used for cooking and coke, and high quality coal is used in industries, as also in thermal power stations. Now let's talk about mineral oil and natural gas. Like coal, these were also produced due to earth movements. Mineral oil is found under land surface and as below the ocean floor. In most of the mineral oil wells, reservoirs of natural gas are also found. Mineral oil reservoirs are limited in nature. However, this oil is in great demand. Hence, its cost is very high. It is called black gold because it has a blackish color and it is costly. These energy resources are used in thermal power generations. Study the distribution of mineral oil and coal fields in India with the help of the map the next time in next part. Thank you.